Okay, wait. You've just read the title Internationalization. Quite the term, right? But wait till you grasp its essence. Hi, I'm Rajashree K, and I'm here to navigate this concept with you. Imagine experiencing the thrill of meeting new people, embracing diverse cultures, and unlocking vast perspectives, all without leaving your seat. That's internationalization. It's about bringing the world into our spaces, enriching our understanding and horizons. And who better to illuminate this than Dr. Rajashree K and Dr. Chetan Singai, the champions of global education. Brace yourself for a thrilling voyage into the world of academia. Oh boy, it looks like we're having technical difficulties. There are camera issues, just give us a second to resolve it.
So good to go?